the side hustle revolution. Turn your hustle into an empire. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so excited that you're here because what we are about to discuss could be life-changing for you. First, before we get started, let me know in the chat where are you joining from. Drop your city and state. Alright, I see people tuning in from all over New York, Texas, California, Florida. This is amazing. Now let me ask you this, how many of you currently have a side hustle? Type yes in the chat if you do, or type no if you're looking to start one. I love it. So many of you are already in the game, and for those who are just starting, this is the perfect place for you. Because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business that has the power to completely change your financial future. Why side hustles are the future? We are in a side hustle revolution. More and more people are realizing that they cannot rely on just one source of income anymore. The days of the safe and secure 9-to-5 job are gone. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You work hard, but it feels like you're still barely keeping up. You want more financial freedom, but don't know where to start. You've thought about starting a business, but fear is holding you back. If any of that sounds like you, then you are in the right place. Because today I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from financial stress, step into your purpose, and start making serious money with a high-paying, simple, and scalable side hustle. Are you ready? Type ready in the chat. The number one thing holding you back, fear. Let's talk about something that no one wants to admit. The number one reason most people never succeed isn't because they lack opportunity. It's not because they don't have the skills. It's because of fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of stepping outside your comfort zone. But let me tell you something, fear is not real. It is a mindset. It is a conditioned response that keeps you playing small. Successful people, they don't let fear control them. They have learned how to reprogram their minds for success, and one of the most powerful ways to do that is through NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. Reprogramming your mind with NLP. Let me explain how NLP can change your life. NLP is all about how your thoughts create your reality. For example, if you constantly say things like, I'm not good at sales, I don't know how to start a business, I'm afraid to fail, then guess what? Your brain will find every excuse to prove those statements right. But when you change your internal dialogue, you change your actions. Instead, say, I can learn anything I put my mind to. I deserve financial freedom. Opportunities are all around me. Type I am ready in the chat if you're ready to shift your mindset. See, success starts with you. If you're not where you want to be financially, it's time to change your approach. And that brings me to the Business Accelerator Program, your shortcut to success. Who here wants a side hustle that actually pays big? If you are tired of trading time for money and you want to make high commissions fast, I have something powerful for you. Introducing the Business Accelerator Program. This program is designed to turn your side hustle into a business empire, and it focuses on one of the highest paying side hustles in the world, roofing sales. Now I know what you're thinking. Roofing sales? I don't know anything about that. Guess what? You don't need to. Here's why roofing sales is one of the best side hustles out there. No experience needed, we teach you everything. High commissions, earn up to 75% commission per sale. Fast money deals close quickly, so you see results fast. Massive demand, homeowners need new roofs, especially after storms. Think about it, just a few sales a month could mean an extra $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 in your pocket. How many of you would love to make that kind of money? Type show me the money in the chat. A limited time opportunity, free access. Now listen closely because this is huge. This program is normally $5,000 for live training. But because we are on a mission to help as many people as possible for a very limited time, you can access the online version of this program for free. Yes, you heard that right, free. But here's the catch, we are only offering this to a small group. Once these spots are gone, they are gone. So if you are serious about taking control of your finances, building a business, and making life-changing money, now is the time to act. Call to action, do not miss this. You have two choices right now. Choice number one, you close this webinar, go back to life as usual, and nothing changes. Choice number two, you click the link, claim your free spot in the Business Accelerator Program, and start building your path to financial freedom. Which one are you going to choose? Type I'm in the chat if you're ready. Alright, I see so many people saying I'm in. That's what I'm talking about. Click the link right now and secure your spot. I can't wait to see you inside the program. Your side hustle empire starts today. Listen, this is your moment. Everything you've ever wanted, financial freedom, time freedom, and success is on the other side of taking action. But you have to make the move. Click the link, join the program, and let's start building your dream business today. I'll see you inside.